Hello everyone. Today we're going to have a little fun. We're going to learn how to embed a YouTube video into a PowerPoint. Many students have asked me how to do this, so I thought I would show it on a video. So let's get started. Well, first of all, before we get started, let me go right ahead and show you the YouTube video that I embedded into what looks like an iPad. And you can hear it.
And today we're going to show you how
and I can control it. All right, and it will start automatically, but because this is a video, I just disabled that function. So let's get started. First of all, you want to open PowerPoint. I'm going to insert a new slide in my slides group, and I want the title and content slide. Now, because I want to use all of the surface area to draw my iPad, I'm going to take away these text boxes, okay? And I'm going to stretch this one all the way up to the top so that I have more surface area. Now I'm going to my Insert tab. I'm going to the Shapes command in my Illustrations group, and I'm going to click on the round rectangle. Okay, and then I'm just going to draw exactly by left clicking, holding my mouse, exactly what I want. And I'm going to go to the Format, Drawings, Tools tab, and then I don't want this shape to have any fill. So I took the fill off by clicking on Colored Outline Blue Accent 1. Okay, I'm going back into my Insert tab, going back to my Illustrations group, and I'm clicking on the command Shapes, going back to the rounded rectangle, and I'm drawing another rectangle within that rectangle. And I'm going to stretch this out just a little bit. And again, I do not want any fill, so I'm going to take the fill colors out. Now what I want to do is go to my Insert group, go to my Shapes command in the Illustration group, click on this oval, and before I start drawing, I'm going to hold down my Control key. I'm putting my mouse exactly where I want to draw this circle, and then I'm going to hold down my Control key so this oval is not actually as much an oval as it is it looks more like a circle. I want to get it exactly right, so I'm going to push this up just a tad. Yes, and I don't want any fill in this circle, so I'm going to my Format Drawing Tools tab, and I'm clicking on Outline, Color Outline Blue Accent 1. Now, what I want to do is I want to fill in with a different color this outline. Okay, so I'm going in my Shapes and Styles group, clicking on the More button, and I like purple, so I'm going to click on purple. And I like the inside of my iPad to be the darkest purple possible, so it's Color Fill Purple Accent 4. I like that. And then for the circle, I want the color fill, it's outline 1, excuse me, it's light 1 outline, color fill purple accent 4, because I want the circle to have the white highlight around that particular area on the outside. So this is what my iPad would look like. So let me just take out this bullet there. Okay, so we have our iPad. If you don't like the shape of it, you can change the shape to whatever you like. Now what you need to do is customize the ribbon so that you have a developers tab. So you go to File, okay, you go down to Options, and you go to Customize the ribbon, and you look to your right, and you see this developers title. You make sure that box is checked. My box is already checked, so I have the developers tab. Once you make sure that box is checked, you click OK. You go back to your ribbon, you see you have a developers tab. You click on the developers tab, you go to your controls group, you click on the wrench and the hammer, which is more controls command. And it takes a little bit of time for my computer to work. You scroll down until you see Shockwave, and these are in alphabetical order. Shockwave flash object. You click on that command and then you click OK. Then you can see that your mouse changes into a cross. Now, when your mouse changes into a cross, you want to left click and hold and draw where you want your video to be seen. Okay, so I want it to be seen right inside of my iPad. Okay, then once that is drawn and you see the envelope there, you right click on the envelope and you go down to the properties command. And then what you do is you go to YouTube and you pick your video. So I'm going to pick this particular video. Let's see, I'm clicking on it. Okay, and this is my URL. I'm going to make sure it doesn't talk. So I'm going to disable it. Okay, I'm going to click into the URL and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to open Notepad. Okay, now I have another URL in there, so I'm going to take that off and I'm going to right click and then click paste. Where it says watch and the question mark, I'm going to delete that out. Okay, where it says V, I'm going to click on the right side of the V and I'm going to put a slash mark there. I'm taking out the equal sign. At the end of this string of letters, I'm putting in the ampersand sign, and then I'm going to type in AUTOPLAY equal 1. That means you're setting this video so that it will play automatically when you go to that particular slide. If you don't want this video to play automatically when you go to that particular slide, just do not put in the ampersand autoplay equals 1. Okay, I'm copying this over, highlighting, right click, clicking on the copy command, going back to my PowerPoint, going over to the side where it says movie. Okay, now how did I get that? I right clicked on my envelope, went down to properties where it says movie, you find movie. Okay, here is the movie, and then you left click in the field next to the word movie. You right click and you paste your URL in there. Okay, now to get this to play, what you have to do is go to slideshow and go from current slide. And you see my slideshow is now playing. Hope you have fun with this and have a great day. Bye-bye.